Hi guys, and welcome to As Simple As. I have had a couple of questions before where people have asked me, James, I'm trying to install a program but the antivirus keeps deleting some of the files because the antivirus doesn't know what they are. Basically, the antivirus will scan all the programs inside the files, and if it sees something it doesn't recognize or doesn't know, it will give you a warning and just delete it off the bat, and it's gone for good. So in some cases you will have to turn your antivirus off. In this demonstration I'm going to show you the Windows Defender antivirus, how to turn it off. So basically, let's open up the program, double click, and what you want to do is go over to Virus and Threat Protection, the second option, and go down to Virus and Threat Protection, Settings, left click once, and basically it's the real-time protection. You want to knock that off. Windows is going to tell you, are you sure you want to turn your antivirus off? You just hit yes, and the real protection is turned off, leaving your device vulnerable, and another pop-up just to let you know, so you have been warned. Basically, install your program, and once everything is good, restart the laptop. Do not forget to turn this back on. It won't automatically turn back on, but you will have to do it. So turn it back on. Are you sure you want to turn it on? Yes. And that is your laptop back to good use. Antivirus turned back on. As you can see, the icon has changed again to orange. Guys, that's as simple as. Thanks for watching.